See this question. Sometimes it seems impossible, and if you see this question in exam, even the brain starts to get fluctuated. It just clouds. Anyway, so unless you understand till that time only, it is difficult. It came multiple time in the exam. Okay, so it's previous year question, also very important. You know what? You might know this introduction to trigonometry chapter is very detailed, extensive, but if we solve the most important question, it will save a lot of time. So let's continue. Now, tell me one thing, how you think we should go on and what should be our priority to solve it? Like, what should be the process? First of all, observe what is given in the left hand side. Okay, there is a formula given, sec²θ plus cosec²θ. Okay, so here square theta thing came, but whereas on that other side tan theta. So you know there is an identity, very important identity in this chapter. Now, if it is too difficult for you, don't think. Yes, good evening. Good evening, Karthik. If it is too difficult to you, that sir, which identity, what is going on? So while we are doing the question, that time we'll be doing the identities also. But still in the middle, if you still feel any difficulty, you can ask me in the comment. If I read that, already I am teaching, so I might not read it sometimes. Okay, anyway, so let's just write down the question. LHS equal to under root sec² theta plus cosec² theta. Okay, now we need to convert into tan theta plus cot theta. Now there is an identity. Guess which one? See, sec² theta equal to 1 plus tan² theta. 1 plus tan² theta. Let me think once. Is it 1 plus tan² theta? Yes. And cosec² theta is 1 plus cot² theta. So cosec² theta equal to 1 plus cot² theta. These are identities are very important. It keeps on appearing in the exam. Okay, so keep in mind, learn them. Now we'll use these identities over here. If you still get any difficulty, you can ask me. So stream, okay, fine. Now we'll just replace sec² theta with and cosec² theta. So what we get equal to under root. I'm not going to write for now. So okay, one time I'll write, but after this I won't write directly. I'll write. So instead of sec² theta, we'll get 1 plus tan² theta plus cosec² theta will be 1 plus cot² theta. Okay, equal to root 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus, but instead I will write different way. Tan² theta plus cot² plus 2 plus cot² theta. Okay, now here is we got here, but now what is the next step? How you'll understand the next step or how to do it? So here comes a trick. Observe, be careful about this trick. You know what is tan theta? Tan theta equal to P by B. And what is cot theta? Equal to B by P. That means tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Okay, and if you multiply the two, tan theta into cot theta, you know what you will get? 1. This cot theta went over here. 1. Now keep this thing in mind, that tan theta into cot theta is 1. Okay, we'll use that particular part for this solution. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So here what I'm going to do is equal to root tan²θ plus 2 in bracket tanθ cotθ. Now ask me, sir, how you got this tanθ cotθ from nowhere? See, in the bracket I can write 1, 2 into 1. What is 2 into 1? 2 only. So 2 into 1 is 2 only. I can do that. And therefore, I'll write down, no, in first step I'll write down just a 2 into 1. 2 into 1 or 2 in bracket 1. So that you won't get confused. Plus cot theta. Cot²θ, by the way, don't forget this. If you forget this square theta or any term, that's it. You are lost. So, by the way, this is ultimate important identity. So, you have to keep on observing. Now, remember this 1 means, what is the value of this 1? Here, above my head. Okay, above my head you are seeing this one. This one. Okay. So this 1 value is this, will replace, substitute those values. So under root tan² theta plus 2 in bracket tan theta cot theta plus cot²θ. Okay, is it clear? Now if you observe now, if you say A equal to tan theta, A equal to tan theta, so it will become A square. If you say B equal to cot theta, B square. Okay, don't you think it looks like 2AB? 2AB. Remember which formula applies to it? A plus B whole square. So we get equal to under root tan square, no, not this time, no square theta, just tan theta plus cot theta and whole square. Okay, now observe the magic. This square and this root got cancelled and we get tan theta plus cot theta and question is solved. Okay, yeah, that is how you get the marks. If you still have any difficulty, you can still ask me. Okay, are you ready for the next question? Yes, I know you are very happy with this question, so you might be ready for the next question also. So let's start with the same energy for the next question. Now let's see the next question after this. You can take a screenshot, full screenshot you can take. So next question is this one. Try it once. It's easy, not a big deal, but still try it once. I will give you a few seconds. Keep on trying. If 3 cot A equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A, what is its value? Now this question might look like very easy. Okay, it came in 2014, but there is a trick. You might immediately start doing that cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta and this and that number of things. But no, you might think of identities also, like 1 plus tan square theta, 1 by tan square theta, those identities. But you know what is the trick? In these kind of questions, you first must make the triangle. Okay, and now let's say what is cot? Cot is based by perpendicular. So let's say this is A, B, C. So 3 cot A equal to 4 means cot A, 3 cot A equal to 4. Let's take 3 that side. Cot A equal to 4 by 3. Got it? So cot is what? Base by perpendicular. Means cot A equal to P by P. That is 4 by 3. Which will be 4 and which will be 3? Will this be 4 or this will be? Let's see what you will guess. Let's say this is 4. Okay, because this is the base and this is 3. What will be this one? Yes, obviously it will be trigonometry triads. 5. Okay, now how do you know it is 5? See, 3 square plus 4 square equal to AC square. The Pythagoras theorem. So that's 9 plus 16, that's 25. So 25 root will be obviously 5. And that's why it's 5. Okay, now we got all the values. You should write actually x, 4x, 3x, 5x. Okay, now we can get all those values. We can find what is tan square. But before that, we need to find the values of P, B, and H. H means hypotenuse. So this is P, perpendicular. This is B, base, and this is H. Now let's find all the values one by one. Okay, so left hand side, L, H, I'll use another color, L, H, S equal to 1 minus tan square value. So I will first write down tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, and let's just carry on its value. What is tan square value? 1 minus P. P is perpendicular, that is 3. So 3 by B. B is 4 whole square. This is the tan square A value. Whole by 1 minus 1 plus tan square. So again tan square A is the same thing, 3 by 4 whole square. This is the LHS. Now let's find the value. So 1 minus 9 by 4 whole by 1 plus 9 by 4, no, it will be 16. See, this is what we do many times. 1 plus 9 by 16. Okay. Okay, yes, it could be 5. Let's 5. How is it 5? Anyway, still carry on. So now we do this LCM thing. Okay, and we get 16 minus 9 by 16 whole by 16 plus 9. LCM thing, 16 into this divided by 16, that LCM thing I did. Okay, whole by 16. So 16 cancel. We got 7 by 25. Yes, 7 by 25 we got. Now this is our LHS. Let's see RHS. RHS is given sin square cos square A minus sin square A. So cos square A minus sin square. Cos square A minus sin square A. It is RHS. Keep in mind, cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. That's base was 4. 4 by hypotenuse was 5 whole square. Minus sin is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So 3 minus 5 whole square. That will be 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. Yes, and we got it. It is 7 by 25. We got it. It's proven that both are equal and both are correct. Okay, so hence LHS equal to RHS. Hence proven. Okay, done. Now I'm zooming it out. You can look at it. You can take a screenshot. Here is the start of the question. Okay, for further practice you should take a screenshot, and here is the end part of it. So you must need in the exam to write down LHS equal to what, RHS equal to what, all these things. Got it? If you are ready for the next question, you can ask me. Now I am going to give another question that was asked in previous year. It is good for practice. So if the question is, if tan A plus B equal to root 3, it might confuse you, so don't get worried or confused. Just think how to do it. Also, it is A is equal to or larger than 0, B is equal to or larger than 90. You have to find A and B. Okay, if you are ready, let's do it. So if tan A, how to do? Just to think once which method you should apply. If tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3, which value you must apply? See, in tan values, trigonometry values, which value come as root 3? Think once. You remember trigonometry value? It's tan 60. So answer tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Okay, therefore A plus B must be equal to 60. I'm doing a little shortcut, okay, but in the actual answer you must write it down, that given tan A plus B equal to root 3, blah blah blah, all you have to write down, okay, and then you can go on with the solution. Similarly, tan A minus B is 1 by root 3. So tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, if you are understanding, that's nice, but if you are not understanding, just don't keep on like seeing what sir is doing. Ask me doubt. Okay, I'm seeing the comments and I'm ready to. Very good, Monica Rao, Krishan Shala. I might be reading it wrongly, but very nice. Yes, 30 and 60. Good, very good. I'm very happy for your reply. So it will be tan, means therefore A minus B equal to 30. Got it? Now let's call this two equation. Let's call it equation 1. Let's call it equation 2. From this one you can also get A equal to 30 plus B. Okay, now this is the equation 3. From 1 and 3, from 1 and 3, just what you have to do is substitute the value of A. So instead of A, where was written A? Here A was written. No, there I'll write down 30 plus B plus B equal to 60. So B plus B, that is 2B, by the way, 2B equal to this 30 will go that side, and what we get 60 minus 60 minus 30. So what is 2B value? 60 minus 30. Let's see who finds it first. Okay, here I think you can do it. So try once. Oh, it's you, Rishvita. Okay. Continue. Try to reply that one. So B equal to 30 by 2. What's it? It's 15. Okay. Now I'm not giving the value of A. Let's see who finds it first. Who says the correct value of A? So this is the answer. And we have what? No, square will be good. We have done it correctly. So this is the answer of B value. What's A? Yes, good, Rishvita. But what is the value of B? Try it once. Good, very good. 45. So A is 45. That's correct answer. Now I'm going to give another question that came in the exam, or let's do one MCQ type of question, and let's see can you find the correct one. Or should we do one more proving question? Actually, proving question bothers a lot, na? So let's do one identity or proving question, because that eats your brain a lot. So let's do that, and then we'll do one more identity. Maybe we'll do, but one common identity. Let's start doing a common identity. MCQ. Okay, MCQ will do. Okay, I'm going to give one very simple, easy MCQ. You know, easy trigonometry, easy in trigonometry. So here's that MCQ. Write once. I'm giving you people few seconds. Try doing in that time. Just try anything. Don't worry. MCQ, PYQ. Obviously, PYQ I'm giving. Yes. Hello. Arfa Mustaq. So try this MCQ. Let's see who finds it fast. Tan theta is already given. Okay. From tan theta, you know what you have to do? The trick. Just now I said the trick. See, the solution I'm telling, I'm giving a hint. Tan theta first 5 by 2 is given. So just observe, keep this one in mind. Now 4 sin theta plus cos theta, and another one is 4 sin theta. See, the clue is you have to divide this, both divide this one by cos theta, and this one also cos theta. I'll say how. So 4 sin theta plus cos theta. This is from the question. So let's simply divide that with cos theta. And down also 4 sin theta minus cos theta whole by cos theta. Now say one thing to me, sir, how you brought this cos theta divided by cos theta, like how it comes suddenly? It is not given. This extra cos theta, where did it come from? Well, I did not do any change. Basically, if you do anything cos theta, like let's say cos theta by cos theta, so they will cancel each other and it will be just 1. Okay, and you can multiply any number by 1. So this in reality, this cos theta cancels each other. Okay, so I have not changed anything. The original question is still as it is, but here comes the magic. See the next step. This cos theta is dividing both, so I get 4 sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta. Down also 4 sin theta minus by cos theta. I'll zoom it out a bit. Minus cos theta by cos theta. Easy. Now this will be 1 simply. And what will be this? Tan theta. Sin by cos is tan. Okay. Sin by cos is tan. Keep in mind. Now remember, to us already given tan theta value here 5/2. This one. So we will use that one. So question is almost done. Don't bother. First I'll write down tan. I'll use another color better. So tan theta equal to 5 by, what was 5 by 2? 5 by 2. This I am just writing for memory so that we will use it further later on. Anybody got it? Sir, tomorrow is, so please request you give you me PYQ. So yes, I am doing PYQ only. If you still got another request, you can ask me. We'll do mostly PYQs. So we get tan theta. So 4 into, what is tan theta value? 5 by 2 minus, plus 1 whole by 4 into 5 by 2 minus 1. Okay. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. So we got 10, 2 5 is 10, that one, plus 1 by 10 minus 1. That's 10, 11 by 9. So we are getting 11 by 9. And is there any option? Yes. First option is 11 by 9. So we got it. This is the correct answer. Okay. Take a look. If you want, take a screenshot. If you have any doubt in this one, you can still ask me. Did you? Very good, Rishwita. You did 11 by 9. Yes, that's correct. Now let's do the next PYQ, previous year question. This question was asked in 2023. So let's see, can you solve it? So in this question, you have to find the value of sec²θ minus 1 and cosec²θ minus 1. Their value you have to find. See, it's just a identity based question. You know, sec²θ equal to 1 plus tan²θ. So let's take this one that side and we get sec²θ minus 1 equal to tan²θ square theta. Okay, so this will we can convert, this one we can convert in tan square theta, and this one in cot square theta. Okay, that's the trick. Got it? Now you tell me what will be tan square theta into cot square theta. I am giving you people a few seconds. Try it once. I already have given the biggest clue. So your time's done. We get tan square theta, okay, into cot square theta. Okay. Now you know this tan equal to 1 by cot or cot equal to 1 by tan. So we can write down. Therefore, tan square theta into 1 by tan square theta. Tan square got cancelled. We got only 1. So correct answer is 1. Okay. If you understood, that's good. If you still have doubt, you can ask me. Let's do one more question from 2023. It was asked in sample question paper by CBSE themselves. If you got any doubt, don't forget to ask me. And here is the next question. Also, if I move the question or you could not take a screenshot, you can reply me and I will show the screenshot. Okay, here is the next question. And sin theta equal to a by b is given. You have to find the value of cos theta. It's very simple. You should do within a few seconds. It's too simple. So I'm giving you only 5 seconds. Let's see what you find out. See, the thing is, here we need to do the trigonometry. You might think that you will simply apply the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta, that one. Yes, you can apply that trigonometry value and you can square both sides. So actually, why not to do directly square wala formula? That will be lengthy. So theta, let's call this one as theta. Let's say perpendicular by hypotenuse. So let's say this is A perpendicular and hypotenuse is B. Okay. So we need to find this value. Let's call it C for now. So C will be, C square will be, Pythagoras theorem I'm applying. Okay. B square minus A square. Let's underroot it. So C equal to root B square minus A square. Okay. Now we know that cos theta equal to B by H, base by hypotenuse, B by H. Okay. So guess what? B value we just found out. Base value. This is, I have written C, but it is actually the value of B base. I mean base. Okay. So we get it as base is under root B square minus A square whole by our H hypotenuse was B. So B. Is there any option? This thing? Yes. Option C is there. This one. So this is the correct one. See the whole thing. If you still have any difficulty, you don't. Yes. C is correct. Very good, Rishwita. Okay. So the next question I'm going to give is, it was asked in competency questions again in 2023, but again you have to think about it. So cos y is 0. Okay, then you have to find the value of 1 by 2 cos y by 2. Think how you will do. If this question exactly was in the exam, what you would have done it. It's not that hard once you understand one important thing. You know, when cos is 0, cos 90 is 0. So since cos 90 equal to 0, therefore theta or y equal to 90. Okay, now we have to find 1 by cos y by 2. So simply that will be cos 1 by 2 cos 90 by 2. Now do from here. Let's see who can solve it first. Okay, fine. What about this one? So I am giving you people again a few seconds. Let's see who can tell it faster. What is cos 45? 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So therefore 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, it's that easy. Where is this option? D. D is the option, 1 by 2 root 2. So D is the correct answer. If you understand, that's good. If you did not understand, that's super good. Do practice what you're doing. So you can take a screenshot and let's keep on going with the next super duper question. But you know what? This time it's going to be a challenge. I'm not going to give very easy peasy MCQ. Previous year question I'm going to give, but not MCQ. A challenge type of question. This question is assertion and reason question. Let's see. In 2023, this question came in a practice set. This one. Okay. Now, assertion is true or false. What about reason? Try this and tell me if you have to do in your exam, how you would do it. See, over here, 1 by sec theta plus 1 by cosec theta is one they have given. Okay, if we add them, 1 by sec theta plus 1 by cosec theta is one they have given. So let's do it once. 1 by sec theta is sin cos theta. So 1 by sec theta equal to cos theta, and 1 by cosec theta equal to sin theta. So they have said that cos theta plus sin theta equal to 1, they have said. Okay, now that is the maximum value they have said. Maximum value of sin theta let me think once. Yes, it's true. Assertion is true. maximum value of both sin theta and cos theta is 1. Minimum maximum value of 1 by sin theta plus 1 by cos theta is 1. What is the trick in this question? Can anybody guess? Can any of you help me? Because it seems 1 by sec theta is tan theta, cos theta, and 1 by cosec theta is sin theta. Wait a minute. Plus they said, na? So let's take a hypothetical value of sin theta plus cos theta. Let's say this is 45 degree. And if we do it, then we get 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. That will become 2 by root 2, which is actually a small value. And their 0 degree is 1. It's both seems like correct. So both seems to be correct only. Like assertion and reason both seems to be correct. But I still think, okay, I will do another question and I'll think of this question back. I did not expect I will stumble across such question. It's very nice. I need to give a think. So till I think of this question, you will try another question. If any of you know that is both true, then tell me. I want to check it until I find out exactly what the thing about this question. Oh my god. Like myself only getting confused. See. But actually, no, I like sometimes it should be this way. So for now, okay, laughing is good, but stop it. Yeah, when sir get confused, you people enjoy a lot. Okay, fine. Now try this question for now. And we'll see that one. Assertion and reason are correct or not. Try it once. Let's see who can find the answer first. Good evening. Good evening, Vijay Simulti Vlogs. Good evening. Anyway, so you people are doing. Tell me about this question. Assertion and reason are true or not? So I will tell the solution for this one. If tan A equal to 1, then 2 sin A cos A equal to 1 they have given. Okay. And reason they have given. So answer is assertion is correct. Okay. But reason is not correct. Okay. I am going to tell how. In a triangle, if ABC right angled at B, let's say this ABC, if tan A equal to 1, tan is what? Tan A equal to P by B, and that's 1 obviously. Then 2 sin A into cos A equal to also 1 they have given. So 2 sin A sin 45. So simply sin 45 let's do. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. And cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So we get 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel na? Hey, no, root 2 not cancel. We get 2 by 2, root 2 square, 2 by 2. And that's equal to 1. So assertion is therefore right. Okay? That's why the assertion is right. Now, reason over here. Reason tan 45 equal to sin 45. What? It's not at all. Tan 45 is not equal to sin 45. What a stupid reason. It's not. You know the trigonometry value. So tan 45 is 1, whereas sin 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 45 is, what is the cos 45 value? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Yes, so both sin and cos are 1 by root 2, but tan is just 1, and that's why it's wrong. If you understand, that's great. Hey Pikachu, it's you. Good evening. What you are doing with the 10th class questions? Anyway, so now I'm back to this question, and before going ahead, just you can take a screenshot if you want. I'm zooming it out, and let me think for this question also, it's true or not, and which one is correct, which one is not. To me, it seems like assertion is false, assertion is wrong. Earlier, you remember I did this one in this question here. See, this question you focus once. Okay, this thing, this is cos theta and this is sin theta, and this is cos plus sin theta. Now, if we take the value of cos as theta as 45, so theta equal to 45. Here, this question is given for deep thinking, detail. So I am telling you how to think deeply, and like let's activate your detective mode. What if the theta is 45? Then cos 45 will be 1 by root 2. Similarly, sin 45 equal to also 1 by root 2. Okay, I'll change the color so that you won't get confused. Now, 1 by root 2, like sin cos plus sin, that value 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Okay, that's 2 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that's 2 by root 2. Yes. And 2 by root 2 will become root 2 itself. So 2 by root 2 can be written as, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 and whole by root 2. Root 2 cancel, we get root 2, which is 1.4, approximately 1.414 something is there. Okay, but let's consider 1.4. Is it just 1? Isn't it bigger than 1? And here in assertion they said the maximum value only can be 1 maximum value, and we just found out that it's going to 1.4 also. Okay, so assertion is wrong. So the correct answer is only reason is true, but assertion is wrong. Assertion is not correct, only reason is true. So answer is D. So this is D. Only reason is true. Here only assertion is true. So for this, answer is C. If you understand, that's great. If you don't understand, ask me doubts what you're doing. Anyway, so here is the zoom out screenshot, and let's do some more challenging question. It was nice though. In 2024, a question related to tan theta value was asked, and let's do that one. Here they have given the value. It's about calculation. Let's see who can do this calculation fastest. So in this question, you have to evaluate. Okay, I am giving you people 10 seconds. 1, 5, 10. So 5 tan 60 in denominator by sin square 60. Let me zoom it. Plus cos square 60. Now you see in the exam, the moment you see this type of question, okay, like their values are given, theta is given, you don't need to think too much, directly put their values. Okay, so what is the tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. What is sin 60? So by the way, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so we don't need it. But still, if you ask, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Yes. Okay. So we don't need that. What is tan 30? Is 1 by root 3. Now let's do it. So directly I'm doing from here straight with the solution. 5 into tan 60 value. I just said tan 60 root 3. Tan 60 root 3 whole by sin square theta plus cos square theta, that's 1, so just 1 into tan theta. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so 1 by root 3. Now here comes the important part. This root 3 is not denominator, it's the denominator of the denominator, so keep always in mind it goes in numerator. You actually get 5 into root 3 into root 3, basically root 3 square, that is 5 into 3. Okay, that's 15. That's the answer. Got it? This question was asked for 2 marks, so you need to mention the value for 2 marks, like tan 60 equal to root 3. This you need to mention step by step, then you will get 2 marks. 2-3 steps must be there for 2 marks. If you understand, that's fine. If you good, very good, Rishwita. If you have doubt, you must ask me. Now a little more challenging question. Let's see, can you do it? And then 3 marks question and a few bigger question also will take from previous year. In 2022, in Delhi exam, this question was asked. You have to prove it. Okay. Now tell me what method you will use to prove it. Like on which identity or which method, what you will do. See, the thing is here, what you can do is we have to prove that it is equal to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Here one identity you can use. That identity is tan square theta, like sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So this identity you need to use. Always keep in mind these identities, different identities. Earlier I said also. So RHS. Tan square theta, that is tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta, okay, equal to tan square theta whole square theta plus tan square theta. Okay, if you have any doubt in that, you can ask me. Now we have to use the identity. Identity is tan square theta. Actually the identity I learned is this one, sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore it will become tan square theta will become sec square theta minus 1. This will become, and we will use this identity itself. So we'll substitute this one. Okay, let's do it. So sec square theta minus 1 whole square plus sec²θ minus 1 equal to which formula here now? A minus B whole square formula. Okay, so sec²θ whole square minus plus B square, so plus 1. Okay, B square is just 1 minus 2AB, so minus 2 and sec²θ. This is how we'll write. Then this thing plus sec²θ minus 1. Now 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled, equal to sec² no, square and square will get multiplied, and we get sec to the power 4θ minus 2 sec²θ and plus sec²θ. It's like 2x minus x minus 2x plus x. Okay, it's like minus 2x plus x. What you will have? Only minus x. So here we'll get minus sec²θ. That's it, as easy as that, and we have proven it. Hence equal to LHS. Hence proved. If you understand, that's great. If you still have difficulty, you can ask me. Got it? This is how to prove, and once you understand, you can do it this much fast and this much easily. Okay, now are you ready for the next question? A question I'm going to give that confuses the students almost every year. Either this way they will ask or another way they will ask. So it's I think 2 marks question. Sometimes it is asked for, like similar question is asked for 3 marks also, but almost every year it repeats in one or another form. It looks easy, but try it once. I will zoom out once if you want screenshot. Okay. Now here is that question. Now tell me one thing. If you actually have to solve this question in exam, what you will first start with? First, you must draw the triangle. If every time in the exam, if you see this question, draw a right angle triangle. Okay, name it A, B, C. Now what is tan? Tan equal to P by B. Okay, that's 3 by 4. Let's call it 3x by 4x. So let's call this one as tan A. So P will be this 3x, B will be 4x. Okay, and we have solved already, so it will be obviously 5x. Okay, or you can do that Pythagoras theorem, 3 square plus 4 square, that thing. Okay, here you have to start here onwards, but the question is how you will do this part and what is the value. So start doing it and let's see who finds the value. Yes, Pikachu, 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 Pika, 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 Pikachu. Yeah, nice Pikachu. Do some study also, Pikachu. Anyway, so let's see who finds the answer first. There is a competition between me and you people. Okay, if I did first, I won. If you did first, I won. You are my student, so if you win, then also I win. Okay, so yes, let's carry on with this question. So 1 by, we need to first find out the sinA. So sinA will be P by H. That's what's our P? 3x by 5x. So that's 3 by 5. Now cos cosA will be 4 by 5, like base by hypotenuse. So 4 by 5. Now these values are important. If you don't want to get confused later, you must find these values. Okay, that's the value of sin A. I'll write it in a better way. Okay, so now 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A. 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A. Good, Pikachu. Cos A equal to, let's put its value, 1 by, what is sin A? Sin A 3 by 5 plus what is cos A? 1 by 4 by 5. How we'll write it? We have to take its reciprocal. Okay, this denominator goes to numerator, keep in mind. So we get 5 by 3 plus 5 by 4. Okay, now what you do? 10 by 7, and wrong. Children do this mistake. Okay, like you are also children, but toddlers do this mistake, so don't do it. Do the LCM way. 3 into, okay, I mean 4 into, and down also 4 into, here into 3 and up also into 3. Okay, so you get 20 plus 15 by 4 3 are 12. That's 35 by 12. So our answer we are getting is 35 by 12, and yeah, seems to be right. So yes, we got it correct, and this is how to do it. The main part is making this triangle and finding their values. This is the main part. If you did it correctly, you will never get confused. Be it for 3 marks, 5 by 6. Oh, you need to do it once again, but yes, you are close to it. Jai Shri Krishna. Pikachu, if your answer was wrong, you don't need to delete. Don't worry. It means you tried, you practiced. So I am happy that you tried. You never need to delete, because without mistake, how you'll remember it? Anyway, so take a screenshot. If you want to take our practice, and now we'll go for the next question. Next question what I'm going to give is for 3 marks. Okay, and generally when you get image based question, you get next level confused. So that's why I'm going to give an image based question. So below is a semicircle of radius. Make necessary construction and show that. It was asked only one time, but let's do that. Why not? In 2023, it was asked. It might fry your brain, so be ready. Here is the question. Okay, don't get worried. We'll still do it. We'll nail it. We'll kill it. And we'll be the superior. We'll get ahead. So don't worry by seeing the question. We have to do construction and show that tan theta by 2 equal to sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So the construction what you need to do is, I'm going to tell what construction you should do. I'm going to do construction in here only. You just need to join these line. This one. Okay. Now, shown below is a semicircle of radius 1. Means this is the center point. This is the center point. Okay. And then if that's the case, then this this should be theta by 2. This value will become theta by 2. This also become theta by 2. Okay, this value will get theta by 2. So let's carry on. This is a property of triangle. See, the thing is, this is already 90 degree. Okay, so this plus this also should be 90 to complete 180 degree of the property of a triangle. Okay, now if you observe this one, this theta and this, if you add them, then also it should be 180. Therefore it will be theta by 2. This also will be theta by 2. Okay, now the solution part. So in triangle RPO, observe the triangle RPO. RPO. Okay, if you observe, there is something missing. RPO, O should be this one, and it should be POQ. Let's call it Q. So in triangle RPO, if you're getting any difficulty, you can ask me. Sin theta equal to theta. Theta you can see, na? So what is the value of sin theta? RP by OR. In triangle RPO, sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So that is RP by PO. Then again RP equal to sin theta. Therefore RP sin theta. Say how? See, this OP PO is what? PO. This OP is the radius, which is 1. So see, we can write down sin theta equal to RP by 1, and that's why RP will be equal to sin theta. Clear? Now the next step, let's do cos theta. So cos theta equal to, cos theta is what? Perpendicular base by hypotenuse. So PO by RO. RP by RO. This one's supposed to be RO. By mistake I have written PO. Okay, but it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is RO. Okay, so yeah, I do sometimes mistake. PO by RO. Now PO by RO is RO. Again that is 1. RO value is 1. So that's equal to PO by 1. So cos theta equal to just PO. Okay, if this is clear, then we'll carry on the next one. Now tan theta equal to what? Tan theta by 2. So tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2, which is theta by 2. Tan theta PQ by RQ. Let me observe once. PQ, RP by PQ, RP by PQ. Observe this one, this theta by 2. Okay, this is theta by 2. Okay, and what will be the value of tan theta? Tan theta. Observe here, tan theta perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is this RP and base is PQ. So tan theta equal to RP by PQ. Okay, tan theta by 2 actually, theta by 2. So now what is PQ? Observe PQ value here. PQ, it's PO plus OQ. PQ is what? PO plus OQ. So equal to RP by PO plus OQ. Now PO we know. Okay, RP value we know. RP value is sin theta. Oh, observe here. RP value we have already sin theta. And OQ value we should have PO value. PO value is already cos theta. Observe PO value. Cos theta is PO. Okay. Now what is OQ value? OQ value is radius already. That's 1. OQ value is radius. So therefore sin theta, that value sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, and hence proven. Finally done. Take a screenshot and practice 100 times. Oh my god, what a question. Now we'll do one more 3 marks question. If you have any stamina left, why not to do it? And then let's finish it. 5 marks question we'll do with the other one, with this one, what we say, applications of trigonometry. That time some question from this also will do. We need to find some values and we need to do some proving thing. So better let's do one 3 marks question from proving one, because here value are all are 2 marks question. So let's do one 3 marks question from proving. So which year I should give the question from? 2022, 2021, 2023? Tell me in the reply, in the comments. Tell me, Rishwita. You said, sir, what, sir? Proving question you want? You know what? Let's do one proving question. This is going to be the proving question so far. and let's do it. Now in this question, the trick is we have to use the square formula in this one. Cos theta plus sin theta equal to 1 they have given. Okay, and we have to prove cos theta minus sin theta equal to plus minus 1. What if we square both sides, sin square theta plus cos square theta? Okay, what we need to do is let's do cos theta plus sin theta square. So let's write down cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to 1 square. But again we won't get cos theta minus sin theta. That value we are not getting. We are not getting this value if we square. So let's write down cos theta minus sin theta whole square. So cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Then what we'll get? If cos theta minus sin theta whole square, then we'll get one term will come sin theta into cos theta, which won't solve it. Let me think for a while and I will tell you the correct answer. I will do one thing. I will do this identity. A square, A plus B and A minus B equal to A square minus B square. This identity I am going to use. Now the question is, should I? I need to think. So I will do one thing. I will give another question to you people till I think of this question. This is happening. It is obviously it is trigonometry. So you are going to come across some tricky question. So I will give simple evaluating question bonus. You have to do this till I find out which method we should use. So evaluate. This is a bonus question for you people. You have to use just a 60° and find the correct answer. Let's see who finds the correct answer for this question. So this is bonus question. Okay, till you are doing, let me think how to do this one, cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, because I can do a few methods. I can do directly, like I can do the square and this and that. But you know how to explain this thing in simple and easy way so that you will get it. That I'm thinking, and that is going to take a few seconds, few minutes. Till that time you find out. Tell me in the comment, later I'm going to reveal it. See, we should do, I'm thinking of a few steps. Here, if we did sin cos theta plus sin theta whole square, cos theta plus sin theta whole square, it will become like a plus b whole square, and we'll get a square plus b square and plus 2ab. So we'll get sin square theta plus cos square theta. Yes, that will get. So let's first do that one. We get sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. That will get 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, that wala 2 sin theta cos theta, that we are going to get. Okay. After that, it was equal to 1. So here also should be equal to 1. This also should be equal to 1. This 1 will go that side and we'll get 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 1 minus 1. We get sin theta cos theta equal to 0. So 2 sin theta cos theta will be 0 and sin theta cos theta also will be 0. Now it seems it's working. Now if we do square both sides, like cos theta minus sin theta also, we have to prove this one, na? This one. So it seems this way it will work. Now let's square this one also. So I am going to take this and rewrite it. By the way, the bonus question's answer is 1 by 2. Okay, let me think once, is it 1 by 2 or not? And then I'll say you have to find sec theta tan theta. And A is 60 degree. Okay. One by 2 seems to be correct. Okay. So now let's continue here. Let's square both sides. So cos theta minus sin theta whole square equal to, we don't know, so let's say x square, or just to say x for now. So we get sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, okay, equal to x square. Now sin square theta equal to plus cos square theta equal to 1 and minus 2 sin theta cos theta. See here what we got, 2 sin theta cos theta, we got it 0. Okay, so minus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to is 0, equal to x square. Now under root both side, we get plus minus 1 equal to x. And yes, we did it. Okay, so here is the solution. It actually worked. I thought it is not going to work that much fast, but it worked. Here I am zooming it out. You can see the full steps, all the steps. And in the next one, we are going to see that one, what applications of trigonometry and other questions. Okay, if you did not subscribe or forget to subscribe, then you can go to the Best Classes channel and you can search for Pandey Sir Best Classes.com. So you can go to this channel, you can search for Pandey Sir Best Classes.com if you forget, or you can subscribe so that you can see the upcoming videos. Now if you still have doubt, ask me in the comment, Also, one more announcement is I'm going to give many important notes in my website. Okay, that website is pandesarbestclasses.com. pandesarbestclasses.com. Okay, so that's it, and that's it.